Welcome back to the majestic and oh so wild Queen Elisabeth National Park. It's been already a week that I have arrived somewhere close to Lake Bunyampaka. Somewhere where wilderness has got so much power and where a tiny mistake can be unforgivable for the rest of your life. Just removed the mattress and I'm going to clean the rooftop tent inside with my white vinegar. I'm very careful with my belongings in general, but even more now, in this situation, living in a pickup truck for the next years to come. I have no furniture back home, almost nothing left from my life. The most important is here, with me, properly stored in Rafiki. I don't know if you can see here. It's I'm sleeping on that. I think this is the reason why I also have some back pain. Yeah, can be one of the reasons. Don't worry, I do that sometimes. This is Armenia paper, and it's to clear the smell. Many of you keep on asking how to stay fit while traveling. Well, it's all about consciousness and commitment, I think. I'm totally aware of the consequences on my health due to the sitting position when driving almost constantly. I've always practiced sports since the age of 5, and I just can't do without it. And with this nomadic lifestyle in the wild, no choice. I have to stay fit anyway. Just finished my sport. Look how disgusting I am. I'm disgusting. Like, because I'm doing my sport in the wild, you know? You can see? Putain, yesterday a leopard killed a warthog just around here. The smell, guys, is crazy. The smell is like blah, blah, blah. Hey, did you hear? Ah, yeah, but... Bon, allez, let's go, parce que... Ah, putain, mais... Ah, putain, le bruit des odeurs, sa mère. Putain, quand tu penses qu'il y a un léopard qui a marché, là... C'est... Ah, you find it? Non. Ah, putain, alors, wait, I want to see. Attends, where do I go? Putain. Where?
Our animal.
Ah, attends, I want to see. But how did you see it? Ah, putain. Oh, putain. Oh, putain. That's the smell, right? Oh, putain, c'est impressionnant. Attendez. Attends, on espère par le nez, on espère par où on peut. Oh, putain. Oh, putain, sa mère. Oh, la vache. The smell is crazy. I swear, the smell is crazy. Oh, putain. So yesterday, no, two nights ago, a leopard was here, where I'm staying in my tent. And but did you hear the leopard?
Yes, I hear the leopard.
Ah, you heard it?
Yes, I heard it.
Ah, because like yesterday night, I heard like a different sound, something more like the hyenas, like ah, but like weird, not like as usual.
The leopard and the lion, after they eat, some animals come. This one, woo, woo.
The hyenas.
The hyenas.
Yeah.
After this one eat, the hyena come twice to come and eat also.
No, but the thing I don't understand is why there is like still meat on the.
They leave some meat for hyenas. Because they go and they did the groups, hyena and this one.
Ah, okay.
After this one kill, the hyena come back.
Well, he's coming with me because apparently we can't go. I wanted to go alone to the lake, and they told me it's dangerous because there are like leopards and stuff. And but I'm sure they are sleeping. But anyway, look all the cactus everywhere. And he's so mad because I stopped. No, it's good. I follow you. Look, he has an umbrella. Agandi, Urije. DJ. Tindi muzungu wa? Ndi muchiga. Si, gambo ruchiga. Si?
Na gambo ruchiga, tari muzungu. The salt now.
Yeah, all the colors.
The salt.
No, it's crazy. Vitello ran to me earlier. He wanted to find out about that strong smell. But he also wanted to keep an eye on me on my way to the lake. I have to jump. You jump from here or from here?
Just here, I get like this.
But how did you do that? Yeah, but like because your shoes they like not. Okay. No, maybe here. What?
If you can, you manage to jump.
Ah no, here I can. Alors, go away for safety reasons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do it. Wow, putain. Ah, c'est trop beau, mais c'est un délire. Look at the salt. Ooh. 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 Hey! Urije! Hey, DJ! Uganda! Bon, I'm going to die. Lake Bunyampaka is one of the many salt crater lakes found in the park, and its advantage is that there is no crocs nor hippos. The Muchiga! This is the most beautiful place. Love Uganda. I love Uganda. So now they are making fire. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to zoom. And while I'm walking around, curious about the people I saw through the lens of my drone, I discover women, men, and children busy harvesting salt from evaporation pans in the lake. The heat from the sun is almost unbearable, and walking on salt makes me feel that my skin is melting away. But I'm with Bitalo, and I feel extremely lucky to see things that we don't want to see. Because whatever we say, we need to raise a voice for courageous humans.
Yeah, no, you know. Why? Yeah. Why do you say that?
Do you know La Cassette?
Do you know who is
I support the Arsenal.
Arsenal? Yeah! Putain!
Yeah?
Arsène Wenger!
Arsène Wenger?
Yeah! Hey Muzungu! Hey Muzungu! Do you know Kylian Mbappé? Kylian Mbappé. No, you serious? No, you like that? Oh, Arsenal?
What?
Do you know Kylian Mbappé?
Pepe?
Mbappé.
Yeah, I know it.
He knows it. Yeah. He doesn't know.
This man you are supposed to Arsenal Man U.
Oh my God.
This man you are supposed to Man U.
You don't know Mbappé?
Yep.
I don't talk to you anymore. You are Muzungu. You Muzungu.
Muchiga. Oh, you know.
Yeah?
You are very open.
Hey, very open man.
Look here. Look here. No. Look here. Come you are this one. You move the car. This is the Lake George.
I know. There. No, there. Far away.
You know. Okay. Thank you.
How do you know I like football?
Yeah?
Why you say like I like football? It's so funny.
You are sharp.
Yeah!
Every time
I have nothing, it's like,
Now what is this?
They gave me the salt. Look, and I'm disgusting. And my other hand is crazy. Look, the elephant's poop.
But we said now the salts come to change water here.
Really?
Here.
Oui, yeah, it changed.
Water.
I'm white.
Wait, now this is salt.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
I'm-
white one.
I'm whiter than 5 minutes. So we are back, and we are disgusting. No, you're not disgusting. Me, I'm disgusting. And we were dancing, and that's the way, no?
No?
Yeah, it's the track.
Yeah.
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 I can't smell.
Small now, small.
Regardez comme il est beau. Non. Je te fais peur avec la lumière. Attends, j'éteins un peu. Oh putain, reviens. Every time I want to go to bed, so in the rooftop tent, it's a whole story. Like, I need to be careful every time. I'm talking to you, but like the door of the car is like wide open. So yeah, and because as I could show you earlier, a water buck has been killed yesterday night by a lion, and they also have leopards around. So, and the lions here, they climb trees. Very important to know. So every time I try to look everywhere and not to turn the back, so I can face everything. So I'm always turning on myself, basically, in the wild with my torch. Yeah, voilà. So, and earlier I saw a few buffaloes in the dark and also a water buck, big one, so beautiful. I still have my mask in the air. And look, the humidity. And this is a mess here. breakfast time. The view. Eh, vous m'avez manqué, les gars. Mon pote du petit déjeuner. Oui, petit bébé, titi. Regardez, lui et eux. Look at the avocado. Look at that. Putain, he's so big. He's so big. Look, he's almost as long as my knife. This is so crazy. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to show you something. This morning, I discovered this elephant poo, which means an elephant was here yesterday night while I was sleeping. The profound intensity of Uganda is slowly driving me addicted to it. Such harsh and unforgivable environments teach me one thing: our world will always be a giant mystery.